How we train is how we fight. And we train with emotionals and all that stuff. If you like to sign up.
Take care of business. Keep on business. Just listen to me. Stay over here.
Okay, fighters in center. Now you guys ready? Let's go.
Side control. Good. Head position. There you go. Snap his head now.
Calm down, relax.
Underhook. There you go. Front choke. Front choke. Front choke. Front choke. Front choke. Front choke.
Relax. Keep pulling. Good. Okay. Get your stomach. Let go of that. Get your stomach.
Squeeze the head.
Get your stomach. Right there. 2 on 1. 2 on 1.
Put him on his back.
There you go. Okay, stand up. Good. Pull it in now.
Fabian.
Hands.
Grab your own wrist.
There you go. Pull it. Kick the other leg out. Let's go.
Lock your legs around him. Lock your legs around him.
Lock your head out.
Lock your legs around him, Fabian.
Lock your head out.
Stand back up. Keep the head and stand up. There you go. Keep the head and stand back up.
Come on, crowd. Let's hear it for
Squeeze the head. Squeeze the head.
Hold on to your face.
Squeeze. Roll him backwards again. Use the cage. Use the cage and roll. Put your feet on the cage. There you go. Bridge up. Nice. That's your move.
Good job. Let's hold on. Okay.
Squeeze.
Let go of that head.
Reach it. Yeah, grab your own wrist and squeeze.
Let's go.
Fabian, squeeze.
Okay.
Squeeze. Tighten up.
Let's go.
Squeeze.
Okay, go for a sweep, Lex.
Arch your chest and squeeze.
Lex, you gotta go for a sweep. He has that arm trap. You can roll him.
Fabian, look at me. Suck it up. Squeeze. There you go. Keep squeezing.
Lex, hold
Keep
to your
squeezing. Keep
left.
squeezing. He's
Hold
gonna
to your
tap.
left.
He's not rolling anyway. Keep squeezing. There you go. Keep going.
Good job.
Catch your breath, Fabian. Don't burn yourself out. Okay?
Come on, Lex.
When you're ready, catch your breath and then squeeze again. Keep going. Squeeze a little bit more.
Okay, let's move, Lex. Come on.
Keep your chin down. Good.
Go.
Hold the biceps.
Right there. The chin down. Corner, we get water? Need water, fighter? Corner, you guys got water for him?
Give me water. You all right, right? Okay.
Give me a cup of water down here. Let's go!
If it takes you down, keep your feet underneath and roll them that way.
Okay, hold it. Take it second down. Watch that hand. Watch the hand.
Step over the mountain. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing now. Good. Keep the head and squeeze. Fabian, try to hook his chin. Do it with one hand. Turn. Look at me. Fabian.
Relaxing, guys. Stand up. Give you a 5, 4, 3, 2,
Good.
1. Stand it up.
Okay, good.
Let's go. Let him go.
Hold his head down again.
Come on, Max.
There you go. Hold his head down. Put your hand behind his back and let's hold his head down. Hold his head down. Push him up against the fence, Fabian. Push him up against the fence. Take him down, Fabian. Take him down. Take him down. Nice. Good job. Very good.
Your heart.
Ready? Ready? Timekeeper? Let's go.
Push him back against this one. There you go. Push him over here, Fabian. Take him down. Good. Hold him there.
All right, next. Come on.
Look for a key lock, Fabian.
Go guard.
Fabian, look for a key lock.
Go guard. You can roll.
Watch your base. Watch your base. Spread your hands on it if you have to.
You gotta step over that leg and roll. Come on, Max.
Fabian, look for a key lock. There you go. Use your head.
Max, get your left leg and pull guard. Let's go. Hey, sweep up. Sweeps.
Watch your base. Just hold bicep. Trap that arm behind his back if he does that.
Grab your wrist. Let's go.
Right there.
Go
Push
for
his hand down.
Come on, go for
Hand on
something.
the ground.
Get a butterfly sweep. Butterfly sweep. Come on, Lex. Right there.
Or hold it down and put it behind his back.
Come on, Lex.
Hold it down. There you go, right there. Now hold it behind his back. Reach underneath. Get up on your toes.
There you go. There you go. Like that. There you go. Run it.
Good.
Pop it over. Head and arm. Pop it over. Head and arm.
Put it behind his head.
Okay, roll now. Roll.
Watch your weight. Face down. Baby, relax right now. Relax. Just grab your bicep. Grab his bicep. Get underneath.
Lex, try to buck and roll.
Post your hands up there. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
3, 2. Keep it going. Keep action going.
Okay, pull it down. Ready. Grab the wrist. Go. Put it behind the back. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
Baby.
Scissor. Scissor your legs. Let's go. Guys, keep going. Scissor, lock your legs up.
There you go. You're all right.
Good job.
Let's get it. Hey B, are you guys up next? Okay.
Thank you, guys.